Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss an American phrase, bent out of shape. Bent out of shape. What does it mean, bent out of shape? Bent out of shape is a phrase. It's commonly used in USA. It means to upset. Bent out of shape means to upset someone. Angry or agitated. Bent out of shape means to become very angry or upset. Example sentence: don't get bent out of shape just because I overcooked the meatballs. It means don't get angry just because I overcooked the meatballs. Don't let Kumar get you bent out of shape. Calm down. It means don't let Kumar to get you angry. Calm down. So, bent out of shape. Bent out of shape means desperate, furious, annoyed, resentful. Today we have discussed an American phrase, bent out of shape, which means to upset, to get angry, to get agitated. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.